I'm Kyler, and today we're going to be putting this increased tension spring inside of this KAGE SnowFire spring. So the tools I have here are inch and an eighth socket, inch and an eighth wrench, punch, hammer, and a spring tool that helps you put the springs on that you can buy from us on our website. So what this spring does is it goes inside your spring tubes here on as many springs as you want. You could do all 4, and it'll just increase the tension of your springs, so it makes it harder for your edge to trip. If you only plan on installing 2 of these springs, you'll put them both on the outside. So the first thing we're going to do here is take out this bottom bolt with our inch and an eighth wrench and socket. This bolt here is just holding these 2 springs in place. So what I did with this punch here is I put it on the end of the bolt so I could punch the bolt out easiest. So the next thing we're going to do is put this spring inside of each of these tubes. As you can see, they're both hollow. And then make sure that your spring tubes both line up with each other. You'll know if they don't. Then I'll take my spring tool, hook it onto the base angle ear just like that. It helps if you pull the spring up to get a better grip. You'll put the nut back on. Inch and an eighth, la da da da. And then tighten it down. Hammer flip. Whoop.